Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. We are Jennifer and Jessica and we are twin sisters who love to share everything hair and beauty related. So if you're interested in that kind of content, kindly hit the subscribe button and keep watching. Hi guys, so today we'll be showing you guys how to make a moringa and hibiscus hair tea. These two herbs are widely popular for hair growth and are a powerful combination when paired together, so let's get into it. So the very first ingredient you'll need is moringa. Moringa is an exotic plant found across tropical parts of the world. Various parts of this plant are a good source of protein, vitamins, amino acids, and beta-carotene. Moringa is very effective for hair growth because it helps develop the hair cells. It is rich in amino acids, which are building blocks of cells. This therefore helps in rejuvenation of hair and thereby reduces alopecia. Moringa also activates dormant hair follicles, thereby enhancing hair growth in balding areas. It also helps to improve hair growth with its rich quantity of omega-3, zinc, vitamin A, and iron, which are really essential for hair growth. And lastly, it prevents premature gray. The second ingredient you need are hibiscus leaves. Hibiscus flowers have been revered in Ayurveda because they have the ability to boost hair growth. Their petals and leaves are both known to improve the growth of hair follicles and even cover bald patches. Hibiscus leaves provide a number of benefits to your hair, such as it stimulates hair growth. Hibiscus is known to improve the buildup of keratin and boost the formation of new hair follicles. Thereby, it stimulates hair growth. It also helps to thicken the hair strands and reduce hair fall. The third ingredient we'll be using for this hair tea are cloves. Cloves contain a property called eugenol, which helps to increase blood flow to the scalp and leads to hair growth. Hibiscus and cloves are a powerful combination, and this is because you get all the rich benefits of cloves without it drying out your hair. Hibiscus, due to its mucilage content that serves as a conditioner, provides a slimy covering and prevents the hair from drying off and breaking. The last ingredient we'll be using today are rosemary leaves. Now you guys know this is one of our favorites. You can use dried rosemary leaves or you can use fresh rosemary leaves. Rosemary leaves help to promote nerve growth in the scalp, thereby restoring hair growth in areas it was lacking. It also improves blood circulation, which prevents hair follicles from being starved of blood supply, dying off, and leading to hair loss. And now your hair tea is ready for use. This hair tea is very rich and powerful. It helps to stimulate hair growth, treats baldness, it helps to heal dandruff and itchiness, it reduces hair shedding, and it conditions the hair. How to use. This hair tea can be applied onto the body of your hair with a hairspray. You can work it onto the scalp and onto the body of the hair. It can also be applied on your hair as a hair rinse on your wash day. This hair tea should be used only 5 days and then discarded. It can also be stored in the fridge or refrigerator. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Let us know down below in the comment section if you'll be trying out this hibiscus and moringa hair tea. And if you've ever tried a hibiscus and moringa hair tea, what did you put in it and how did that work out for you? So please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and we'll see you in our next one. Bye!